Hello everyone, I invite you to today's lesson. The question was depicted from a grade 9 paper 2022 business studies. The question says the following information was available in August 2019 for J Kaunda, who is a customer to Simvula. I'm not going to run through the details, but the required part says prepare Simvula's account in J Kaunda's ledger. Now when you analyze this, you discover that Simvula is a supplier to J Kaunda. Okay, so we are preparing a supplier's account. Now look at this. So a supplier carries a credit balance. As you can see, the title says Simvula's account. So since a supplier carries a credit balance, so the amount due on this date, which is balance brought forward, is 6,000. It will be on the credit side. Please, creditor's balance on a normal basis, it has to be on the credit side. Okay, now J Kaunda bought goods on credit on the date 13th from Simvula with a list price of 10,000 kwacha. So when we purchase goods from a supplier on credit, of course, and we already have a debt that is pending. So when we buy more goods, it means our amount owing to this supplier is increasing. So to make an addition to the already existing balance, we credit the 10,000 which we purchased within the month. Then on 25th, there is a payment that was made to our supplier, which is 11,000. So when J Kaunda pays 11,000, it means his amount owing to Simvula reduces. Now, how do you subtract this amount? You make an opposite entry of where the bill is. So the bill is on the credit, therefore, to reduce the amount owing, which is the bill, you put on a debit entry. Therefore, we debit. Since it was done by check, you put bank, then you debit 11,000. Then what do? You balance off the account. How do you balance it off? You add the total of the credit, the total of the debit. You find that actually this one will give you 16,000, which you put on both sides. How do you balance it off? You subtract from 16,000 the 11,000. You find the difference, which is 5,000, and then you put it here, which you are pretty well. You are pretty conversant with or familiar with. 5,000 here, then yeah, this is balance right down, then you also bring it down here, balance brought down. Otherwise, this was the question, and hope you are liking the lessons. Please subscribe to my channel. Let us grow the numbers. When we reach 50, we'll be able to